5:30. Now, Fox 35 News at 5:30.
A Central Florida-based restaurant chain is trying to help you stay healthy.
They are. The Darden restaurant chain is reducing the number of calories and the amount of sodium in its dishes. First Lady Michelle Obama calls it a breakthrough for the entire restaurant industry.
With this new commitment, Darden is doing what no restaurant company has done before. They're not just making their kids' menus healthier so that parents have more choices and more control. They're making changes across their full menu at every single one of their restaurants throughout the country.
All right, so this initiative is all well and good, but how do you put these things, watch it fire, into practice when you go out to eat? We have with us Nick Parker, a fitness and weight loss expert. And Nick, we got some takeout food. As you can see.
Looks good.
And Bob is actually enjoying some of it right now.
Hello.
Okay.
How much you have caught in your teeth right now?
Seriously, these are the size portions we get at a typical restaurant, or even again when you take it home.
Two sides of ranch.
A salad, a pasta, and a steak we have here. So we're trying to pare down.
We'll start with the salad.
Yeah,
like if I was a cow with 4 stomachs, this would be about right.
That would be perfect for you because you can feed all 4 stomachs, because that is about 4 portion sizes. And a lot of people don't know this, but you think you're ordering healthy by getting the salad on the menu, and unfortunately,
the ranch on there.
you dump the ranch, the bacon, and you're 800 calories. So let's see.
I'm going to start scooping. You tell me when I should stop.
Okay. Couple more.
Couple more.
And that's it.
That's it?
That's about it right there.
Now this is taking into account too, Nick, the fact that we're going to put a little dressing,
a little bit of dressing, and a little bit of bacon bits, exactly. Okay. And typically there was chicken and eggs in the salad, so yeah, that would be about the right size portion right there.
Which is Bennis big salad right there.
Just over a quarter.
All right, so another typical meal people get when they go out to eat is a pasta dish.
The chicken's good.
The chicken is good. The protein is part of that too. So obviously, Nick, that's overdue.
So I want the chicken.
Absolutely, you want the chicken. Scoop the chicken, take all the chicken that you want, and then minimize the pasta. Okay.
So I got chicken, all the chicken I want,
you
and
can go a little bit more pasta, just a little bit more, maybe a few more pieces, and one more, and stop.
All right, so there's the comparison on that one.
Good.
Wait, Nick, we heard before the rule of the fist, the size of a fist is a portion size of pasta.
Right. It's typical, you know, especially if you're trying to lose weight at home, you know, you got to be really careful.
Right. And
you look at the size of the palm of your hand, and you have like 3 different things on your plate, and they should be no bigger than the palm of your hand. Look at that. That's already bigger than the palm of your hand, and that's a pretty small portion.
This is the grand poobah of the meals here. We have a steak and bread, and I think that's potatoes.
Can I eat it?
Yeah, and this right here, the potatoes, incredibly calorie dense. Bob, be careful. That's a 1,000-calorie bite right there.
That one right there? You lie like a rug.
No, but it's close. Yeah, it looks pretty good though. Yeah, but that's very dense. Look at all the toppings.
But thankfully, it comes with ranch dressing, so that'll
help you.
Now, Nick, in a meal like this, should you be having that portion size too with the red meat, or is it okay to do the whole thing since again it's a protein?
It is. It's a protein, and you know, a lot of times they cook it in a lot of butter though. So that right there looks like it's about a 5 to 6 ounce steak, and a lot of times you get a 6 to 12 ounce steak. So this would actually be one of the smaller ones, but you do want to be careful. A lot of butter on that, so there's a lot of hidden calories in there.
Okay.
So maybe about 3/4 of that.
Well, thankfully, there's a lot of food left over. So you guys run ahead, and I'll catch up. Speaking of catch up, could we have any, please? Because that would be good.
Thank you.
Yeah, no problem.